What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro CHF and Euro CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this both of this instrument. It looks like that both of this instrument behaving in the same way. So do both of them. We'll see how we can find a trading opportunity. So make sure you stick till the end to see how we can trade these instruments. Now, starting with Euro CHF with the 4 hour time frame, what you see that there is a significant trading opportunities arising. Before we discuss how we can trade, make sure you smash the like button and let's start with first of all higher time frame to see the directional bias, and we'll come back to the lower time frame to see how we can trade. Now, Euro CHF, what you see that this is the higher time frame, monthly time frame. Now, on this monthly time frame, what you can see that this is a long term bearish market. Starting from here, you see this is a very strongly bearish candle. It's a strongly textbook bearish engulfer, crossed the previous candle's high completely, created a false breakout, and then broke to the downside with a long red candle. Now after this candle, as usual, what we have seen that Euro CHF has created a doji. Now after this doji, this month the price went above, broke this monthly important level of resistance. Now we see that Euro CHF is now rejecting to the downside. Now, what we can expect from here, Euro CHF basically to slide down, because this is a long-term bearish market, and we might see a couple of candles Euro CHF is creating on the monthly. That means that there is a big move coming up with Euro CHF to the downside. Now, if we see the weekly time frame, how we can find a trading opportunity. The previous week, the price broke above, created this green candle. Now, on this after this green candle, as usual, after the weekly close, the buyers couldn't find any fuel. The sellers started to push the price down, and we might see that Euro CHF slowly melting down, even coming down like that, creating a double top here, and then finally we'll move to this direction. So, with that being said, Euro CHF is giving us a promising trading opportunity to the downside. Now, let's see on the daily time frame. Now, daily, as expected, the previous day we saw a bearish candle, that is from this monthly level of resistance that we have seen. Now, today, as soon as the market opened, the price retraced little bit. Now, breaking down. So we can expect Euro CHF on the daily as well to push down. So this is what is likely to happen. Now let's see on the 4 hour how we can find a trading opportunity. Now after half an hour, this candle is going to be closing, and we saw that this is a nice looking bearish engulfer that we are looking for, broke the high completely and then closed back below, now coming down. So what we can expect in this candle to be closed first. On this candle close, if it closed like that as a bearish engulfer, we might find a nice trading opportunity in this time frame. As you see that there are some confluences that first of all it created a long term lower time frame consolidation, meaning that it was preparing for a trend change, and then Euro CHF broke down. After this breakdown, again it has gone for a significant retracement, tested this 20 period moving average and breaking down. So what we can expect from here, Euro CHF to test this support as resistance in this lower time frame, and then to drop to the downside to even create a new lower low to this level. So we are already running a trade with our students and VIP members. So as soon as this candle close, we might add up one more position. This is the real trading. When you are winning, add the position. When you're losing, close the position with minimum loss. So this is the situation with Euro CHF. We are looking to go short after the candle close. Now let's see what happened with EURCAD. Now you see that this is kind of same kind of setup. If you quickly look at the higher time frame on the monthly, you see that Euro CHF and EURCAD is same kind of pattern. On the monthly, strongly bearish, breaking to the downside. Now what you see that this is the monthly level of support, and I think that EURCAD is likely to drop to this level, because this is the most important level of support in this move, and even it could come down further. So this is the monthly time frame, and we might see a really good trading opportunity. Now weekly, we saw previous week the price broke above to this level of resistance, and as soon as the candle closed, it went above. Basically, this is the false breakout, and this kind of move is really powerful because it crossed the previous week's high and then immediately turned back. So we can say that EURCAD as well will create a new lower low, which is a big move to the downside. Now let's see on the daily time frame. Now daily previous day, as usual, created a bearish candle, crossed this 20 period moving average, and then again closed back below. So this is a nice trending trading opportunity, created a double top here as well, broke this daily level of support and then closed back below. So with that being said, EuroCAD also preparing for a bigger move to the downside. Now let's see on the 4 hour how it is doing. Now 4 hour time frame, after half an hour it is going to close. It is creating a nice bearish price action. Why? Because you saw that there has been a bearish engulfer here, which crossed the previous high completely, closed as a strong bearish engulfer. This look, compare these two candle, you'll find all the answer you need. See, that's how the strong the seller. Look at the bull candle. Okay, it's a very very narrow weak bull candle. So as soon as this candle closes, if this one closes as a doji, we might see a mirror pattern here. There is a doji here, there is a doji here, and we might see the next one going up a little bit and then breaking down. So that is the advantage that we will be taking with our students and VIP members. We will be waiting for an entry opportunity according to the rules of our strategy to take this big move to the downside. Now, if you find value in this analysis, smash the like button for me, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.